Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how can you submit your sitemap. Sitemap is very important thing. You can see here, this is Google Webmaster where I indexed my blog by URL here. So you can use Google Webmaster to enlist your page, enlist your URL in Google, or you can just submit, you can submit your URL to Google to index easily. So what is sitemap? I'm going to give you information. A sitemap is a file where you can list the web page of your site to tell Google and other search engine about the organization of your site content. Search engine web crawler like Googlebot read this file to more intelligently crawl your website. So this is just a structure of your website which you have to submit on Google Search Console or any other search console. A sitemap is just a structure which tells another search engine how your website look, what is the content, what is the web page. So your sitemap can provide valuable metadata associated with the page you list in the sitemap. Metadata, you heard about meta. If you want to list your website in higher rank in any search engine, then metadata is title data or description is very important. Metadata is information about web page, such as when the web page is last updated, how often the page. So these are the metadata means data about data. This is not meta tags. So and the importance of page related to URL in the site. You can use sitemap. This is important. You can use sitemap to provide Google with metadata about a specific type of content on your page, including videos, images. For example, you can give Google the information about video and image content. A sitemap video entry can specify the video running time. A sitemap image entry can include image subject matter. So why we need sitemap? If your site page is properly linked, our web Google or any web crawler can usually discover most of your site. Even so, a sitemap can improve the crawling of your site, particularly if your site meets one of the following criteria. Your site is really large. As a result, it is more likely Google web crawler might overlook crawling some of your new or recently updated page. Your site has a large archive of content pages that are isolated. If your site page do not naturally reference each other, you can list them in sitemap to ensure that Google does not overlook some of your pages. Your site is new and has few external links. Your site uses rich media content is shown in Google News, use other sitemap contextual annotation. So these are some tools. This is how why we need sitemap. Sitemap is a structure, is a whole blueprint of your website, and it will help you to enlist your website in Google or any other search engine. And this is the best way you can also start your SEO, search engine optimization, which makes your website more search engine friendly. So how can you make your website more search engine friendly? So you have to follow this policy to index your page, and if your page is indexed, then you can gain more and more traffic, and also you can grow your business. So that's why we need a sitemap. So there are some tools which you can use to, like online sitemap generator. If you have valid website, then you can use this online sitemap generator. You can see here. You just have to use site URL, session ID, frequencies. So you can see here, these are free sitemap generator which you can use. You have to provide the information. Like if I am going to give my blog, this is just a Showing example, you can use your website URL, or if you have any domain, then you can just use it here to make a sitemap online. These are some ways you can use to create a sitemap. You already know sitemap is very important. I am going to provide a date when my site is modified or something. Can provide you with the email address. And use this captcha to provide. Maybe it will not process this because this is a blog, this is not actual domain I use, this is a hosted site of Google. So you can see a sitemap is processed. So that's why sitemap is so necessary. Sitemap can help you to get your traffic. Sitemap can help you to make your website or blog more search engine friendly and grow your business. So you have to submit your sitemap on Google Search Console, Google Webmaster Tool, or Bing Webmaster Tool, or Yahoo's Webmaster Tool. You can submit your sitemap all in various different search engine webmaster tool. Depending on the size and speed of your website, it can take some time to generate your sitemap. When the process is completed, we will let you know. We will email you when your sitemap is ready. Don't forget to check your junk mail or spam folder just in case. So you can, these are some tools. These are some other tool also available which you can use, like this site is very helpful, XML sitemap generator. So if you sitemap list more than 100 links, Google may mistake it for spam. It's best to list just the main categories instead, divided for by topic, chronically, or some other method that helps you user. For example, if you choose this site, then it will take time according to their pages. For a very large website, use an automatic HTML sitemap generator. These are available online through your web developer tool extension. Make sure not to confuse this with a tool that create XML sitemaps. Describe later. I am going to describe it later. So this is a XML generator. This is not HTML. This is a HTML site generator. And some are XML site. Both are different in way. Upload the HTML sitemap to your website, insert a link to your site, and just follow these steps. Submitting XML sitemap, you can see this is the website. Understand what is XML sitemaps. This is another form of sitemap that is only visible to search bot, not to user. This is only visible to search bot or Google bot or Google crawler or Google specific tool or any other search engine tool. This is not a replacement for an HTML sitemap. It's generally a good idea to have both. The XML sitemap provide meta information to search engine, notably how often pages are updated. These format also allow you to submit extra information about video and other files that search bots can't read. For example, this may allow Google to present a thumbnail image of the video on the search result along with the title and duration. So you can just submit your website here, and like this it will also take some time to notify. This is the XML generator, and you previously heard how helpful this is. Most webmasters choose to use an automatic sitemap tool such as Google XML sitemaps, WordPress plugins. The general purpose xmlsitemap.com, a variety of their free options you can find online. So these are options. You can also, if your blog has an RSS 2.0 Atom 1.0 feed, you can submit that in a place of an XML sitemap. All you need is URL to be feed. You can easily upload your sitemap. After that, you have to just click here and upload your sitemap. It's a very easy step which you can use to upload your sitemap. This is Google Webmaster, where you can upload your sitemap, upload your URL, upload your web page link to your site. So this is the way you can use to sitemap. So sitemap is very important. You can also test your XML sitemap. You can go to the webmaster tool, Google Search Console, then you can just click on add or test search. If I am going to show you, you can use it easily. In my previous video I just show you how can you easily. This is the blog. This blog is upon child hunger and women empowerment. So I just use this. So I'm going to click here on search console. Now I'm going to show you how can you add, if you want, to add sitemap. You can see here I have to delete this option. You can add a URL from here, and you can just click to see all the information with the help of this search console. You can also manage Google Analytics from here, and you can effectively see all the pages, all the information or the analytics of your particular pages, which you can use. You can also use this articles to see what you have to do, what are the some steps, what tips you can use to make your website more and more better. So this is, you can see here, it will take some time because my site contain at least my blog contain at least 30 pages, 24 articles and 30 mainly 30 pages. So you can just, you have to just go to tool, visit your sitemap list by clicking sitemap. You can easily add anything with the Google Search Console. So this is how you can use. You just have to click on this, and after your sitemap is complete, you just have to submit your sitemap on your Google Search Console, and after that it will test for you. It will Google will test your sitemap for you, and it will enlist your site. So this is how you can use various different sites which you can use to submit your XML sitemap or HTML sitemap in your Google Search Console or Google Webmaster tool to enlist your site, property. So these are some best SEO tool which you can use. To make your website more better. There is some option is missing from here, so you just have to log in here and you can easily add your sitemaps, and just after that you get a notification regarding your site. You get notification regarding what tips you can use to make your website more and more better. You can use some details to check. You can also modify the website link with the help of this option. You just have to enlist your website with the help of Google Search Console. So thank you friends, that's all from now. So make your sitemap, website sitemap, and upload on Google Webmaster. There are so many videos uploaded by me which you can help to do SEO of your website and make your website more and more better and friendly for search engines. So thank you friends, that's all from now. Thank you.